Make money by building and selling websites. Hello my friends, I'm writing this article for people trying to make money but don't know where to start or what to do. To me, and to the web, building websites and selling them is one of the best ways to make money online with your laptop or PC working some hours per day. How to make money by building websites online. I will explain everything you need to know. How to learn and build websites. You can start right here and right now. The only thing you need is a laptop or PC and you can do it. You can start by watching YouTube videos, by reading different articles on how to make money by building and selling websites, read different free ebooks online and many other ways. These are the simple, fast and free ways to do it as an amateur. Once you've learned the basics, you can upgrade your knowledge to a better level, since the competition is really high. Where to become a master on building websites? Really easy, you can become a master by learning from the best masters. Just register on Coursera, Skillshare, edX, Udemy and you can find thousands of free or paid courses on building websites. If you're serious on this path and $20 to $30 for an amazing course built by the best of the best don't bother you. You start from here. Imagine you pay a course for $30, you learn this skill, and sell websites for $30 x 100 times a year. That would be 100x ROI, return on investment, and there's no crypto master or trader that could learn you such a good investment in 1 year. And all this by working from your home 1 to 2 hours per day. And all that if you only sell your websites for $30. Do you know website prices can go up to thousands of dollars, right? It's not easy or risk-free. This is not an easy or risk-free method. Maybe working 1 to 2 hours per day may seem easy, but you must invest time, money and dedications in the first 2 or 3 months to learn more around the topic. The risk here is that you may learn for the first 2 weeks, buy the course and then give up. If you don't really want it, if you don't want to dedicate at least a month or 2 learning the ins and outs, I don't think you should start doing it. Best website building option. This is the best way but still is optional for you. If you want to give it a try, you're free to. But this is the premium method here and it costs a little bit more than the other options on learning how to build a website. This is an amazing way to make money by building websites and selling them and I'm really surprised how there is not much people talking about this way. It's called WordPress Bible and helps you build websites you can sell or even use for yourself. Made by Best DigiCourse, I find it a real game changer for anyone trying to make an extra income by building and selling websites. The best thing is that it will cost you less than $50 for one-time purchase, and you have 60 days money-back guarantee. I don't want to make it long and tell you what they offer or all the benefits because it would take too much time. I will let the link here and you can learn all the benefits by yourself. WordPress Bible, how to make money by selling websites. This, here is the simplest task to accomplish. You can sell websites on many freelancer sites like Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, and you can even build a website in which you can sell different websites that you've built. You can make different ads on Facebook, Quora, Reddit and anywhere you want that you're selling websites, and I can guarantee that you will have many requests by business owners, writers, authors or people who want to have a website for fun. The end. Thank you for reading this article. I hope you enjoyed the read. A like or comment would be really appreciated. I will try to write as many articles as I can in my free time trying to help people grow both mentally, physically and financially. Give me a follow if you're trying to improve and grow and if you like my articles. I wish you all the best. See you next time. Make money by building and selling websites. Hello my friends,